Hello, everyone. I'm Emma. Welcome back to Speak English Daily. This is your space to listen, to repeat, to shadow, and to learn English at a slow, natural pace. First of all, I just want to say thank you for pressing play today. Thank you for showing up for yourself. And thank you for trusting me to be part of your English learning journey. And this is day 23 of our 30-day English Shadowing Challenge, Series 2. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Each day covers a completely different topic, so you can start today and still get full value from this lesson. You haven't missed anything. And if you've been with us since the beginning, congratulations on making it to day 23. You're doing amazing, and I really hope you're feeling the progress. Today we're talking about something that matters to everyone, your home. You're on a video call with a friend from another country. They ask, "Tell me about your home." You look around. You see your bed, your window, your door, but you can't describe any of it in English. So you just say, "It's nice," and move on. Here's the frustrating part. You see these things every single day, but because you've never said them in English, they feel hard. They feel like new vocabulary. But here's the truth. The easiest vocabulary to remember is the vocabulary you see and touch every day. Your home is your gold mine. Think about it. Your bed, your window, your kitchen, you see them constantly. If you learn the English words for these things, you'll remember them forever because your brain sees them automatically every single day. My students tell me I forget vocabulary from textbooks the next day, but they remember vocabulary from their home. Why? Because they see it every day. The connection is natural. The memory is strong. Here's what happens today. We start with what's familiar, the objects around you right now. And I promise, by the end of this lesson, those words become part of your English forever. Today, you'll learn 32 powerful sentences to describe your home like a native speaker. By the end, when someone asks about your home, you won't freeze. You'll have the words. More importantly, you'll use them naturally because you live there. Here's how we practice. I say each sentence 3 times. You listen, then repeat. Shadow me. Look around your home while you practice. Point to the things I'm talking about. That's how vocabulary becomes unforgettable. Are you ready? Let's go. Now shadow with me. Look at your room right now. Point at the things I'm talking about. Connect the words to what you see. That's how this becomes real. Section 1. Describing your bedroom. Look around your bedroom right now. These are the words you need. My bedroom is small but comfortable. My bedroom is small but comfortable. My bedroom is small but comfortable. I have a bed in the corner. I have a bed in the corner. I have a bed in the corner. There's a window next to my bed. There's a window next to my bed. There's a window next to my bed. My desk is in front of the window. My desk is in front of the window. My desk is in front of the window. I have a chair at my desk. I have a chair at my desk. I have a chair at my desk. The walls are white. The walls are white. The walls are white. There's a lamp on my nightstand. There's a lamp on my nightstand. There's a lamp on my nightstand. I have pictures on the wall. I have pictures on the wall. I have pictures on the wall. Beautiful. You just described your bedroom like someone who lives there, because you do. Category 2, your living room and main space. Now the spaces where you spend time. Listen and repeat. My living room is big and bright. My living room is big and bright. My living room is big and bright. I have a sofa in the living room. I have a sofa in the living room. I have a sofa in the living room. There's a TV on the wall. There's a TV on the wall. There's a TV on the wall. My living room has a lot of natural light. My living room has a lot of natural light. My living room has a lot of natural light. I have a coffee table in front of the sofa. I have a coffee table in front of the sofa. I have a coffee table in front of the sofa. There are plants in my living room. There are plants in my living room. There are plants in my living room. The floor is made of wood. The floor is made of wood. The floor is made of wood. There's a bookshelf in the corner. There's a bookshelf in the corner. There's a bookshelf in the corner. Great, you're describing spaces like someone who actually lives there. Section 3, your kitchen and dining area. Where in your daily life happens, where you eat, where you cook. My kitchen is small and modern. My kitchen is small and modern. My kitchen is small and modern. I have a refrigerator in the kitchen. I have a refrigerator in the kitchen. I have a refrigerator in the kitchen. There's a stove next to the sink. There's a stove next to the sink. There's a stove next to the sink. My kitchen has a lot of cabinets. My kitchen has a lot of cabinets. My kitchen has a lot of cabinets. I have a table for eating. I have a table for eating. I have a table for eating. There are chairs around the table. There are chairs around the table. There are chairs around the table. My kitchen is clean and organized. My kitchen is clean and organized. My kitchen is clean and organized. I have a window above the sink. I have a window above the sink. I have a window above the sink. Wonderful. You can describe the space you see every morning and every evening. Section 4. Other important spaces. The smaller spaces, the bathroom, the hallway, the closet. My bathroom is clean and white. My bathroom is clean and white. My bathroom is clean and white. There's a mirror above the sink. There's a mirror above the sink. There's a mirror above the sink. I have a bathtub and a shower. I have a bathtub and a shower. I have a bathtub and a shower. There's a towel rack in the bathroom. There's a towel rack in the bathroom. There's a towel rack in the bathroom. My hallway is narrow. My hallway is narrow. My hallway is narrow. There's a door at the end of the hallway. There's a door at the end of the hallway. There's a door at the end of the hallway. I have a closet for my clothes. I have a closet for my clothes. I have a closet for my clothes. My home gets good air and natural light. My home gets good air and natural light. My home gets good air and natural light. Excellent! You just learned 32 sentences about your home. Simple sentences, real sentences, everyday sentences. Now let me show you how these sentences sound in real life. Listen carefully. Now listen to this story. Someone describing their whole home naturally. All the sentences you just learned work together here. Shadow me after. Become this person. Tell your home story. Welcome to my home. Hi, my name's Marco. I want to tell you about my home. When you walk through the front door, you see my hallway. It's narrow. There's a door at the end that leads to the kitchen. My kitchen is small and modern. It's my favorite room. I have a refrigerator, a stove, and a sink. The stove is next to the sink. There's a window above the sink. I can see the street when I'm washing dishes. I have a table for eating with chairs around it. My kitchen is clean and organized. From the kitchen, you go to the living room. My living room is big and bright. I have a sofa where I relax. There's a TV on the wall. The floor is made of wood. I have plants to make it feel alive. There's a bookshelf in the corner. My living room has a lot of natural light. I have a coffee table in front of the sofa. My bedroom is small but comfortable. I have a bed in the corner. There's a window next to my bed where I can see the sky when I wake up. The walls are white. I have a desk in front of the window for my work. There's a lamp on my nightstand. I have pictures on the wall, photos of my family. My bathroom is clean and white. There's a mirror above the sink. I have both a bathtub and a shower. There's a towel rack for my towels. I also have a closet for my clothes. My home is not big, but it's mine. Every room tells my story. Every object is one word I know. Every day, I use these spaces and these words together. That's how English becomes real. You see, all those simple sentences come together into one complete picture, your picture. Here's something important. Right now, look around your space. See that wall? That's a wall. See that window? That's a window. See that door? That's a door. Say it out loud in English. I see a window. Or, this is my room. Do this every day. Walk around your home. Point at things. Say them in English. This is how you build vocabulary that lasts. Not from a textbook, from your real life, from where you live. It's okay if your home is small. Your English can still be big. Every object is one new word. Every room is one new chapter of your English. Your 24-hour challenge. Walk around your home. Look at each room. Pick your favorite room. Describe it using as many of these 32 sentences as you can. Write it down. Read it out loud. Record yourself. Listen back. Your home is your teacher, your vocabulary goldmine. Use it. You just learned 32 sentences about your home. But more than that, the vocabulary you see every day is the easiest vocabulary to remember. Your home is your English teacher. Thank you for being here. Thank you for practicing. Remember, the best English comes from real life. And real life starts at home. Keep shadowing. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next episode for day 24. Take care, everyone. Bye.